Guys, everything is getting expensive. Someone told me that butter is £8. £8. So in a world of tech, where everything seems to change so quickly and accessible tech is getting cheaper and cheaper, wouldn't you like to have a pair of Airpod Killers for a fraction of the cost? Well, keep watching, guys. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up, YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Guys, today I am looking at the Air3 Pro earbuds from Soundpeats. Now, Soundpeats make a ton of different earbuds and headphones. And spoiler alert, guys, it's good stuff. Now, before we get into it, Soundpeats sent me these Air3 Pros in exchange for my honest review. And guys, I gotta tell you, I get sent a lot of stuff. Some good, some bad, and you know what? Some that's kind of okay. But whatever, you will always get my honest opinion to help you with your buying decisions. So guys, let's get these open and take a look at what's inside the box. So guys, nothing major here. Open the box up and we have another small box with a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Now, it'd be definitely good to start seeing some USB-C to USB-C cables, as us Mac users don't really have any USB-A ports, but pretty much every Windows machine has a USB-C port. Anyway, just a thought. Then we also have some additional ear tips, so you can kind of get these sized up to give you the best fit. Now, take the foam cover off and we have the earbuds charging case. Well, doesn't this look familiar? Kind of looks like the AirPods Pro case, right? There's the front of it and there's the back of it, even down to the hinge on the back and the pairing reset button. Open the case up and we have the earbuds. Oh, and we've got a nice LED on top to show the charging state: green, yellow and red. Now, as soon as you open these Air3 Pros up, they're powered up and ready to be paired. Now, taking a quick look at the buds again, there is definitely no quiz and no prizes for guessing what they look like. So guys, look and feel is one thing, but sound and functionality is clearly another. And this is where we're going to see that these two sets of earbuds are not all the same at all. So let's get them paired up. Like I said, open the case up, search for the buds on your phone, and boom, you are good to go. Now, let's listen to some sounds. Well, you know what? The sound is good. There's lots of bass, which isn't really boom bass, but kind of gives you a depth that you don't usually get with the earbuds. The unfortunate thing is in some of the tracks it kind of kills off the treble slightly, but you kind of get used to that. But sound is clear, and to my ears a better soundstage than my AirPods Pro. Also, there's a ton of playback controls. For music, you can play, pause, skip forward and back. You can also adjust the volume up and down and even activate a low latency mode for games. For calls, you get the usual take calls and make calls, and also reject calls. And you can activate your voice assistant, which for me is Siri. Flicking through the transparency and the ANC modes, well, I thought they were pretty good. I was tapping on my desk and I couldn't hear the taps. Going back to transparency mode and normal mode, I could. There was little difference though between the transparency and normal modes, but this might just be, well, normal, right? But guys, for around £50 as opposed to £250, which is what I paid for these AirPods Pro, What you get here is a quality product, well made, more functionality, and the latest tech. Think about it, guys. Bit of a no-brainer, right? And speaking of tech, you have equipped with the latest Qualcomm chipset, its own Bluetooth 5.2 transmission technology, giving you this aptX adaptive sound. So there's a lot of tech there just in itself. You also have a 12mm dynamic driver, which, you know what, in a little earbud this small, that's a pretty big driver, and that does definitely make a difference to the sound stage and how much sound you're getting through this. Also, these are good for taking and making calls. CVC 8.0 dual mic hybrid noise cancellation. You know what? Crystal clear audio. I tried several calls with these, and you know what? Everyone said they could hear me absolutely perfectly. So again, there's a plus. Also, you get 6 hours listening time and up to 24 hours with the charging case, so that's pretty cool as well. You also have this low latency capability that you can activate for gaming, which gives you response rates of less than 60 milliseconds. There is a little bit more drain on the battery for low latency mode and for ANC for the noise cancellation tech, but this is indicative in all of these kind of packages, so I wouldn't say that was a downer at all. It's just a fact of life. And this is all this tech is wrapped up in this IPX4 package, which means that these earbuds are rain, splash, sweat proof, whatever, which is kind of indicative of this type of earbud again. But guys, definitely no swimming with these. The only small thing that I didn't really like, and I thought could have been there or not, whatever, is they don't have wireless charging. But you know what? It's no big deal plugging these into USB-C, right? I mean, to be honest, USB-C quick charging, the lack of wireless charging isn't really a big deal, just a nice to have. So guys, there you have it. These look like Apple AirPods, and you know what? Oh, hang on, let's just do this, shall we? See? Yeah, they look like Apple AirPods. They sound like Apple AirPods. In fact, the soundstage, I feel, is better than the Apple AirPods, but they're an absolute fraction of the cost at a mere £50-ish. I will leave any product links and discount codes in the description. Guys, I have reviewed a ton of these earbuds, and guys, they are getting better and better every day, but we still waste money on big brands instead of letting our ears guide us. I can tell you, I have personally been guilty of buying big brands, but you know what? Since I've been reviewing products on this channel, I definitely have seen the lights. Listen to your ears, guys, and go get some of these. They are good. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, you know what to do. And if you like the video, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Guys, thanks for watching, and thanks to Soundpeats for sending me these AirPod challenges. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens. Oh, and actually, this is Pete's, the Soundpeats mascot. And you know what, guys? We will see you the next time. Bye for now.